And welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add animation text on CapCut apps. Let's get started. First, open your CapCut, click new project, add the video that you want to add text. This one, click add at the bottom. Now, I want to add text in the video, so you just click on the text at the bottom and then click add text. And then you write the text, maybe a tutorial millennial. Okay, and then in here you just click check icon, and now you just click on the style, this one, click on it, and in here you click on animation and choose animation that you want. This is for in, like this, or maybe this one, this one, this one, this one, or this is for the in. If you wanna add from the out, you just click on the out and choose the animation that you want, like this, and then you can adjust the duration in here. Just swipe left and right like this, and now you just click check icon in here and finish. So that how to add animation text on CapCut apps. I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoyed the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Happy editing, guys. Bye bye.